these two equipments are the main equipment we'll be using for conducting the experiment. So the first one, HM161, is 16 meter long and 600 mm wide with a depth of 800 mm. It has the option for tilting at upstream or as well as in the downstream to create a sloping channel. And the next one is HM150, which is the base module, and we are using this equipment for supplying the water and for measuring the discharge. Both the two equipment are made from GUNT, Hamburg, Germany. This is the control panel for operating the flame. So this is the main switch. We need to turn on the main switch first before starting all. And this is the emergency stop, and for operating either from the control or from the remote we use this button. And for opening and closing the valve we use this, and we have the indicator also, whether it's open, partially closed or closed will be shown here. And we have an option for selecting one pump or two pump, and we can do it from the pump selection option. And we have start stop button, and we have flow controller to control the flow rate for increasing or decreasing the flow rate. And this discharge display will show you the discharge. And this is for wave generator, and for tilting the flume either in upstream or downstream we use this option. First we need to turn on the main switch, plug on the emergency stop, check for local remote and check for the valve, and it's open, it's fine. So we'll select pump 1 and we'll decrease the flow rate for starting. Then it's already tilted, so we need to make it horizontal. Then we can turn on the pump. And from the flow controller we can select the desired pump discharge, and we can start the experiment. And if we need to do for high discharge, then you can select 2 pump. This is what happened inside the open channel flame. This is called water velocity meter for measuring the velocity of the flow, and it's in CFS. So we use this digital gauge meter to measure the head of water inside the channel. So after the experiment, you press the stop button, then decrease the discharge, and you push the emergency stop and turn off the main switch.